As part of the core G Suite, Google Keep is a wonderful digital tool that allows you to make to-do lists, set reminders, and organize notes by colors. I think of this application tool as a large sticky note platform that really helps increase day-to-day productivity. One of my favorite features in Google Keep is organizing notes by using the hashtag symbol. If I wanted to create a label, simply put hashtag staff meetings, for example, and it allows me to create that as a label. Next thing that you can do with the hashtag is if you have an existing hashtag, you go hashtag learning environment and it populates. I can add that note to my learning environment label. The benefit of creating notes with a hashtag is to be able to easily search for all of those notes with that specific label. If I wanted to search for learning environment label, under labels, I would click on learning environment. All of the notes that I have posted with that specific label or hashtag with learning environment will populate in that section. I could also search using the search bar at the top, and I can type in learning environment. And again, all of the notes that I have created with the hashtag learning environment will appear in this section. Keep up with all your work using Google Keep and give this a try. Thank you.